Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Blanket Looms is probably one of the most rewarding and creative tools for knitting extra-large blankets, offering a unique and efficient way to create cozy and beautiful throws. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect blanket loom for your skill level and project, covering key features, sizes, and materials to help you make an informed decision and embark on your next large-scale knitting adventure. Number 5. Frola Loom Knitting Set. Get ready to explore your creativity with this complete knitting loom set. It includes everything you need to start knitting, from hooks and needles to looms of various sizes. This set offers a wide variety of loom sizes, both round and long, to suit all your knitting needs. You'll find the perfect size for hats, scarves, or even blankets. With 6 circular looms ranging from 2 to 11.5 inches, it's easy to create unique round items. Let your imagination run wild. For rectangular looms in different lengths give you the flexibility to knit long projects like scarves and blankets with ease. It comes with extra pegs to replace any broken ones, and detailed instructions make learning quick and simple. Plus, find helpful videos online. Add a fun touch to your creations with the included pom-pom maker. It's perfect for adding extra flair to hats, scarves, and more. This versatile set makes a wonderful gift for any knitter, beginner, or expert. It's perfect for birthdays or holidays. From hats and scarves to blankets and even phone cases, the possibilities are endless. Unleash your creativity and start knitting today. What we like? This kit has all the sizes you need, from small to extra large. It comes with everything you need to get started, including instructions and extra pegs. If you are a beginner or like to have all the tools at your disposal, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. Frola 55 Afghan Loom. Create beautiful, wide blankets and Afghans with ease. It's the perfect tool for knitters of all skill levels. Knit pieces up to 55 inches, 140 centimeters, wide in one go, eliminating the need to seam multiple pieces together. It simplifies your knitting process. With 5 8-inch spacing between pegs, it's easy to achieve the perfect stitch. 1 to 2 pegs equal 1 inch. It's lightweight and easy to hold, measuring only 10 by 24 inches due to its convenient S shape. Take it anywhere. Use it with any type of wool yarn. It's great for knitting with friends and family, creating lasting memories together. Get started right away with 3 included project patterns. Let your creativity flow. What we like? It's perfect for making extra large blankets and Afghans in one piece. Its lightweight and easy to hold design makes knitting more comfortable. If you need to knit an extra large item and want a comfortable knitting experience, this loom is for you. What people say? The loom was nice and sturdy, same number of pegs as her original, yet configured a bit wider, making the length slightly shorter, easier to handle heavy knitting. Also, feels less likely to break. It's better balanced. Pretty color, a good hook. Instructions included. Arrived well packaged in heavy cardboard box. Very nice product, works very well, was a little awkward to work with but I expected that hold yarn securely. It came in a very nice package. It was very protected and easy to pull out and use right away. I've been looming for years and I truly enjoy how soft it is and how easy it is to manipulate. Anybody who likes stuff like that. Number 3. Wayion Knitting Loom Set. This versatile kit has everything you need to start your knitting journey. It's perfect for beginners and experienced knitters alike. With 4 different loom sizes, you can create a variety of projects, from small scarves for children to large blankets and shawls. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, these looms are built to last. The color-coded sizes make it easy to find the right one for your project. The kit comes complete with 4 looms, a yarn needle, a loom pick, and easy-to-follow instructions for making a hat. You'll be knitting in no time. It features insertable removable pegs, allowing you to adjust it to different yarn thicknesses and create various textures. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced knitter, this loom set is a great addition to your crafting supplies. Start creating beautiful knitted items today. What we like? This set offers 4 different sizes of looms, suitable for various projects from hats to blankets. The durable and easy-to-use design makes it perfect for beginners and experts alike. If you want a versatile set with different sizes for various projects, this is a great option. Number 2. Coopay Rectangular Loom Knitting Kit. It has flexible and adjustable pegs. You can customize the spacing to suit different yarns and stitch densities, making it perfect for both coarse and fine projects. The pegs are secure, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable knitting experience. This kit is designed for ease of use, even for those new to knitting. It's a fun and simple way to learn, and you'll be creating beautiful projects in no time. Online tutorials and instructions are readily available to guide you. It's made from high-quality ABS resin, making it sturdy and durable. The smooth surface prevents snagging the yarn, ensuring a clean and professional finish to your projects. This complete set includes the loom, a hook, and 2 needles. Everything you need to get started is included, saving you time and effort. You can quickly and easily create hats, scarves, and more. It makes a wonderful gift for family and friends who enjoy knitting or want to learn. It's a thoughtful present that allows them to experience the joy of creating handmade items, perfect for any occasion. What we like. Its adjustable pegs make it suitable for various yarn thicknesses. The high-quality materials ensure durability and a smooth knitting process. If you value adjustability and a smooth knitting experience, this loom is ideal for you. What people say. This loom is super sturdy, the pegs are firmly in and it's great quality. Instruction of how is very clear with good drawing. One bonus is how the pegs are, the tunnel end should face out, which makes it very easy for the hook to go in and grab the yarn. I really like the size of this loom. Once you get the pegs in, it's smooth sailing. Number 1. Wayion 55 Loom Knitting Board. This innovative loom makes knitting afghans and blankets easier than ever. Its unique design allows you to knit extra wide pieces in one go. It knits up to 55 inches, 140 centimeters, wide, perfect for large blankets and afghans. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create beautiful, cozy items. The removable pegs are spaced perfectly for easy knitting. Each inch is made up of 1 to 2 pegs, making it simple to follow patterns. It's lightweight and easy to hold, even for extended periods. The S-shaped design makes it comfortable to use. Whether you're an experienced knitter or just starting out, it's the perfect tool for creating beautiful projects. It's great for sharing crafting time with loved ones. Use it with all types of wool yarn to create unique and beautiful items. It's a great way to express your creativity and enjoy the process. What we like. It allows you to knit extra large afghans and blankets in one piece. Its lightweight and ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. If you're an experienced knitter looking for efficiency and comfort, this loom is perfect. What people say. I am making a large throw blanket and have completed maybe 1/4 of it so far with absolutely no issues. The plastic used is different from my other looms, however it is sturdy. It's super easy to use, and once I learned how to keep the tension on my yarn properly, it was smooth sailing. I'm currently working on 2 blankets, and the shape of this loom keeps my project manageable since the blanket portion is folded in half, which makes it easy to maneuver. If you use the entirety of the loom for your project, it makes a big blanket. The pegs do pop off easily, but the loom is made so that they pop off and pop back in. I like that with this one you can just pop it back in the hole and keep on pushing. The pegs are further apart so it works well with a thicker yarn. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.